the disease of the attachment to this worldly life is going to become widespread. And what do we mean by this? Brothers and sisters in Islam, it's not haram to love this worldly life. It's not haram to acquire its wealth and to love the wealth and to spend it. It's not haram. When does the attachment to this worldly life become haram? When? It becomes haram when you don't care how you acquire it. When you're acquiring this worldly life through al-halal wal-haram, you don't care, through al-riba, through al-haram, selling drugs, stealing others, taking loans from people, not paying it back. That's when the attachment to the worldly life becomes haram and dangerous in your case. And the other thing that makes it haram to love this worldly life and attach to it, when you have become so attached that now you don't have time for your obligations and for your responsibilities. You've neglected as-salawat, you've neglected al-masjid, you've neglected salat al-jumu'ah because, I have work, I'm making money, sorry I can't come to salat al-jumu'ah. And when you abandon your responsibilities, the wife complains about her husband, we don't see him. Maybe once a week we see him for a couple of hours, and then after that he's with the boys the whole day, the whole night, and he's at his work the entire day and the entire night. We don't know where he is. When this worldly life becomes a reason for you in where you're acquiring it from al-haram, and it becomes a reason for why you've neglected the obligations and you've neglected responsibility to family members and your children and your parents, now the worldly life and your attachment to it is haram, it's dangerous, it's going to destroy you. But if you're earning from this worldly life through the halal means that Allah has made, and by the way, there will be a lot of barakah in this, and it'll be satisfying more than the one who acquired al-haram, he'll never be satisfied. And if the worldly life did not distract you from a salat, one salat, two salat in al-masjid, from your Quran, it didn't distract you from your family and your wife and your husband and your children, alhamdulillah, your relationship with this worldly life is healthy, it's good, and there's nothing to be condemned about that. Then Allah Azza wa Jal, when He condemned the love of this life, He said, كَلَّا بَلْ تُحِبُّونَ الْعَاجِلَةِ. He said, you people love al-ajila. Al-ajila meaning the worldly life. Al-ajila from ajala, for something to rush. Because everything in this worldly life is rushed. Haven't you seen the attitude of people today? Rush, 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 everything, Allah, quick, quick, quick. How we can finish this quick, and how can this service be delivered quick, and who's faster and who's delivering quicker. And even this is marketing strategies now among the companies. Who'll deliver it in half an hour? Who'll deliver your order in 15 minutes? That's a dunya, it is ajila. You'd rather pay a lot more for something to come quicker than pay less for something to come longer and later. It's called al-ajila. Allah condemned those who love this worldly life. Then He said immediately after it, وَتَذَرُونَ الْآخِرَةِ. And you neglect and you abandon the preparation for the world afterlife. So if your attachment for this life was at the expense of abandoning preparation for the afterlife, that love is condemned. That love is going to destroy you without you even knowing. So you be careful with me and understand what we mean by loving and attaching yourself to this worldly life. No problems. Enjoy what Allah gave you on earth, but let it not be an obstacle and a barrier between you and preparation for the afterlife. And once again, two signs will tell you that you're on a dangerous path. If you're acquiring its wealth through al-haram, and if it's distracting from the obligations and your responsibilities.